Okay. Hello, it's JackSpades050, and today we're on a game I have not played for a while, Battle for Neighborville, Plants vs Zombies. We're gonna be doing some of the single player campaign. I've beaten like years ago, but I can't really remember what happened in the campaign, so we're gonna go through and just beat all the missions again. This is certainly a game of all time. If you know me, you know Plants vs Zombies Garden Warfare is one of my favourite franchises ever. This game wasn't as great as the other two, but you know the campaign was certainly like a top-notch thing for it. It definitely better for the multiplayer. So I believe this guy was the first mission. I like a little gander before I started streaming. Yeah. Okay, so we need to go kill Baron von Bats. Baron Palooza! Find Baron von Bats and get his cool hat. Sounds simple enough, chat. You want Baron von Bats' hat. You'll for sure find him going all emo in his sewer pad. Hats, they're so funky fresh, it's like cool pals hooking your head. But he won't let go so easy. You'll have to vanquish Baron to get his cool hat, okay? Alright, got it. I can't say I've ever killed a man for his hat, but I guess tonight it all changes. Out of the fucking way! Oh, it's gone all dark. Oh no! It's a trap! Oh, fucking hell. Here he is. That is a cool hat. I must give it to the guy. Maybe not my style, but definitely a cool hat. Okay. I don't know why I'm on Citron. I'm gonna run through them all. I guess I don't have to kill him. Oh no, he's about to drop his mixtape. Fuck. No, no, man. Where's the music? Don't let the zombies get too hyped, stop the gig. On! Die! Yeah! Let me find his hat. Yeah! We did it. Let's go. We got the cool hat. Just murdered the guy for his top hat. We probably could have bought that in like a B&M. I don't think murdering was like necessary, but you know, we did it. Now we need to talk to a landfill. Okay, so it's a chomper. Hello, sir. What? You think my sayings are weird? No way! Good sayings are the spies of life. Because they're cool and they sneak into conversations. Ha! Yeah, I'll fight you, little sensei. Fight Zentrification. Defend the Uno Taco to get Zen Sensei's goatee. First, you've got to defend Uno Taco, then vanquish Zen Sensei. Then use his fancy dancy goatee to help turn the lawnmower into the mind blower. Then feast on trash, no? I'll save you a doggy bag of tossed doggy bags. Alright. So we need to go kill a man for his beard now. If you thought a hat was bad, just gonna kill a guy and shave him. It's a tough world these plants live in. Okay, so I'm imagining this is Uno Taco. Oh, vanquish zombie guards. Okay, there we go. Hello. There's Zen Sensei. Teach him no one zentrifies my Uno Taco. Oh shit, hello! Just fucking dropkick me. Shit. Plant yourself some pots. I'm not reading that. I can't. Prepare defenses. Okay, so up here, Scariest room, sniper support, here. Gatlin. Main floor. Okay, so I think this is going to be a flank, so I'm going to go bonk choy. They come around here, bang, bang, bang. They are dead. Then last one here. This is a bit of a tricky spot because they could come from here, so it could need to be close range. But I feel like it's going to be aiming at this door, so I think a bit of last-ditch effort. Lightning read. I think I've got quite a good defense there. Got the roof and taunts, and Sensei was driving bonkers. This roof. Stake claim on the rooftop. I need this saw taunt. Okay. Oh, he stopped being like golden. Oh, he is pissed. I think. Oh no, he's meditating again. His kitchen staff are on the way. See, the plants are working. Fuck you and your coffee. Yeah. But we need to heal. No more inner peace. You've got him now. Woo! Yeah, bro, we got this motherfucker. Okay, where is he going? Come on, easy. Easy work. Oh shit, overheated. Trick shot. Trick shot. Yeah! Give me your beard. Uno taco secured. It was a fake beard anyway. Okay, that's not that immoral. Let's go. Fight! Gentrification completed. We've got the cool goatee. Now I can look like I was cooking meat. Oh, hello, little guy. I love my whole squad. We all have our thing. Me, I'm probably the best looking icon on the squad. At least, that's what the rest of the squad says. It's the only thing about mirrors that I'm not scared of. Okay. I treasure you. Don't panic. 10 elite squad ran into trouble looking for Treasure Yeti and his bling. But that won't happen to you, right? Right. I treasure you. Rescue the Acorns to find Treasure Yeti and his bling. Well, let's go. If you defeat Yeti and grab his bling, you can use it for the Mind Blower. But you could rescue my pals too. They're my shining jewels. Wow, we're both tough and brave, and I'm missing bling. We're so alike. Yeah, but I'm a fucking corn, mate. Gun these motherfuckers down. Search the seaside. After this, my squad will never split up again. Scientist. Science is false. Okay, what is this? You found one of my pals, or where's the Boogie Traps control pad? This. Okay, so imagine the Yeti. Oh, okay. Speak of the devil. Looks a bit like James Gordon. James Corden, even. Oh, is he just gonna run away? I have to kill him. It's like a rare species, it's like a shiny Pokemon. Oh no, he's coming for me now. Oh, never mind. Oh. Okay. Fine, sure, shiny lure. Follow me! That's how the Seikon talks. I wonder where it could be. Dig here! Wrong dirt pile! Please don't talk. Okay! Try here! Oops! Okay! Try here! This is it! That's a fucking boot. That didn't... I don't think I called him, but... Ha! You did it! Yes! Now I use a control pad to rescue my last squad mate. My pals are back, but didn't you get your bling? Where's Yessie? Oh, hello. Oh, I know what comes next. Tree! This is so intimate. The yodel fucking demise! Oh my god. Bro just got disintegrated by a yodel. Quest complete, yeah. At least I didn't murder this one. The tree did it for me. Oh my god. Tenderleaf, never let me get on your bad side again. Oh my god. Next time we play this, you'll get a cool ass voice. Use Mind Blower. Let's go. Way. Let's go. Old Clusive. Old Clusive. Old school, old exclusive. I can read. Okay. I'm here for business. Business only. No partying to be had. Here for just business. Go to Old Cool's exclusive club. I hope it's not that exclusive. Ooh, I don't want that type of club on my Twitch stream. Activate elevator. Ooh. Okay. DJ, drop the beat. Okay, an easy air hole. Okay, this song goes quite a bit hard. Old school. He'll drop a disco down beat. Can I pause this to... Hang on. There we. Look, I shoot him during this. Yeah, I can. Okay, so I think I've just got like a mag dump him. He's nearly dead. Yeah, let's go! Spin, boy, spin. Yeah. We win. Let's go. We're really a party pooper, but you know, old cool is defeated. Let's go, gamers. So yeah, that is the first campaign mission. If you made music, I would love to dance to that. Is that all she said? Okay. Congratulations, we've done it. Bounce on the world's shittest trampoline. You have proven yourself. We can be best friends now. Huh. Guess we've got some friends along the way. What does this orange sell? Yeah, I need to do a YouTube intro, outro, don't I? Okay, if you enjoy this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and do all the stuff all the YouTubers tell you to do. Yeah. Go with like a dancey the outro and say like, till next time! But like, it's not 2016 anymore, but there's a whole like 2016 like nostalgia thing in there. I might just end it like this.